Sorry. Move.
Shut the fuck up and don't move. Your fucking side belongs here. Don't fucking move. Do you understand?
If I asked you again, I'm like, you're making it worse for yourself, buddy. Making it worse for yourself.
What the fuck did I tell you? I'm still standing here. So shut the fuck up and don't move. Holy shit, bro. Dude, I never say it. Like a fucking wall. Don't fucking move.
We already are.
Don't fucking move. You need to get on the fucking fucking ground.
Oh, we'll send it.
Hey, Jade.
Okay. She's about
Might as well stop resisting, buddy.
God damn it, stop, man! You're fucking going against fucking shit, bro! Stop fucking putting my arm!
I'm not.
Yo, but you're putting my arm up high!
Those hurt, by the way.
No, it's for his protection, dude. What's that? It's for his protection to have it on camera. I'm not part of the fuzz. It's for his liberty. It's for the guy. Right, I know.
I'm just letting you know.
I know.
Because I'm about to tell him. That's my boy.
Oh, is it? Who's your boy? What's his name?
Justin.
All right. So you know Jade. I do too. No, not on the wall. Cop. This is